Hello everyone, you are watching RDX Go's News Bulletin with me Deepali Naik. To begin with, let's take a look on the headlines. Government planning to inaugurate the newly constructed Dabolim terminals on 19 December. Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar. "24-year-old Surendra Paul was arrested by Anjuna police in connection with the murder case of a Nigerian. And few leaders are trying to use this MOPA issue for their political and selfish motive on the grounds of upcoming Lok Sabha election. Marvin Gudino. Now the news in detail. Government is planning to inaugurate the newly constructed Dabolim terminals on 19 December. The inauguration depends on the approval from Airport Authorities of India, informed Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar. This terminal will be fully functioning by January, he added. While speaking on the MOPA issue, he informed that government will only provide land for the MOPA project. Kiran Borkar reports from Vasco.
I think in next 1 month's time, most of the requirement of the airport should be ready. So what we are planning, now this is only a planning subject to approval of the Elevation Ministry and direct chairman and Airport Authority of India. At our level, we are thinking of having a soft opening on 19 December 2013. Soft opening. What I mean by soft opening is that day the officially airport will be open for operations, and it may take another between 15 days to 30 days to take all the trial operations. Double confirm. Of course, before even soft opening, trials will be taken. But soft opening nantar is extensive trials will be taken. Like for example, there is a proposition that either international or domestic shifted there in within 7 days or 10 days or 15 days. Something like that will be happening, and after 26 January, the complete shift should be initiated. Now, why this period is because of 2-3 reasons. Number one, the new airport is about 6 times the size of current. So, obviously, for all practical reasons, the number of manpower, number of people understanding how it functions will take some time. There should not be confusion because of size and shifting like that. Secondly, security also requires more elaborate. Third, movement of vehicles, parking arrangements, everything will be redone, so there should not be confusion on that. And most important, finally, is there should not be chaos in vehicular movement across the highway.
Goans are Nigerians. Whoever take law and order in their hands, a strict action will be taken against them, said Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar. 24-year-old Surendra Paul was arrested by Anjuna police in connection with the murder case of Nigerian national, and the other members of the gang will be detained soon, he added. Kiran Borkar reports from Dabolim.
One person has been arrested out of the 8 to 10 suspects who are supposed to be involved. The rest are being tracked down. It may take a few days to get them, but we have now identified the enough, probably police has enough documentary evidence to nab the others and put them, charge sheet them, whatever they require some more, but enough primary evidence, circumstantial evidence has been collected. I am mentioning again, illegally staying. Like for example, yesterday we checked, we found that some Nigerians moving with proper documentation, nothing happened to them. They were asked to go. Checking is a fundamental right of the police document. They can check your document also. So if someone is checking, nothing wrong about it, it should not be taken as something against a particular case. If you have legal document, no problem. If you have illegal document, you have to be deported. 3 issues are separate. Murder, we are cracking down. I will ensure that justice is done. The person who has been murdered, people who are involved will be properly punished. Issue number 2, those who took law in their hands and created havoc on the national highway whether they are Nigerians or at 4 o'clock who block the highway unnecessarily, they also have been booked, though no name has been, because some media is trying to confuse the issue. At 4 o'clock, those who blocked the highway, they had nothing to do with those Nigerians, because that issue was resolved by 1:30. They created obstacle again. That's why the case has been moved. Still, we know the local sentiment. That's why no names have been mentioned. But if someone challenges the government, we have enough footage to take action. If law is the final, and law of the land has to be respected by Indian citizens as well as foreigners who come here. No one can take law in their hand. Indian also can't take law in their hand.
People should understand that government will never close down the Dabolim airport from the fact that government have spent around 440 crores to build a new terminal at the airport, said Dabolim MLA Marvin Gudino. He further alleged that few leaders are trying to use this issue for their political and selfish motive on the grounds of upcoming Lok Sabha election. Kiran Borkar reports from Dabolim.
हे जे लोक सांगता हो एअरपोर्ट बंद जातलो, म्हाका एक सांग, जेन्ना केंद्र सरकार 450 कोटी रुपया मोडटा, बंद करपा जाय म्हूण 450 कोटी रुपया मोडले आनी हे ओल्ड टर्मिनल जे कडेन हांव उबो आहा आनी तुमी आतां रावंड मारून न्यू टर्मिनला येयला, 4 वा 5 केपे हेज्यावन व्हडले आहा, ते बंद करपा खातीर 450 कोटी मोडून न्यू टर्मिनल काडले आनी हे जे आवाज कोत्ता हो बंद जातले म्हूण सांगता, ही अफवा उडयता लोकां मदें दिशाभूल करपा, एक पयलीं कित्याक करूना तेणी आवाज, आतां इलेक्शन लोकसभेची लागीं पावला, हें फकत इलेक्शना लागून, फकत लोकां भडकावपा लोकसभा इलेक्शन लागीं पावली आनी असले इश्यू आहा ते इलेक्शन पावतकच जाता. म्हाका दिसना कित्याक दाबोलीम एअरपोर्ट, दाबोलीम MLA हांव जावन आसा, खंयचे परिस्थितीन दाबोलीम एअरपोर्ट बंद जावपा ना, हांवें पयलींय सांगलां आतांय सांगता आनी फुडाराकूय केन्नाच बंद जावपा दिवपा ना. आनी म्हाका याद जाता की सुरवातेसून तेन्ना इवन हांव गव्हर्मेंटान नासलो जाल्यार सुद्दां तेन्ना प्रणब मुखर्जी डिफेन्स मिनिस्टर आसतना, फायनान्स मिनिस्टर आसतना, बाकीचे सिव्हिल एविएशन मिनिस्टर कितले खेपे वचोन हांव गेला आनी ते डिस्कशन जालां. एकूय डिस्कशनान म्हाका केन्ना दिसना की केंद्राचे सरकाराचे कोण अधिकारी आहा, मंत्री आहा, तेंचे मनान आहा की दाबोलीम बंद करपा. आनी जेन्ना लोकांकूच बंद जाल्ले नाका आनी गोंयचोच लोक म्हणटा हो सेंट्रल एअरपोर्ट, इक्वी डिस्टन्स टू बोथ पीपल फ्रॉम नॉर्थ एंड साउथ, वेर इज द क्वेश्चन ऑफ क्लोजिंग दिस एअरपोर्ट? Why this unnecessary controversy is being raised? You should understand better.
More news will follow after a short commercial break.
जी फुलां काल देवाच्या पांयाकडे आशिल्ली, त्या फुलांनी आज तू त्याच देवाची भुई वाडटा. उदकान उडयल्ले प्लास्टीक आमच्यो दर्या देगो पळय कितले बुरश्यो करता.
येताना देवाक चांगलेले पिका राखतलो, कुडीन येताना देवाक चांगलेले पिका राखतलो.
Under Goa Non-Biodegradable Garbage Control Act 1996, littering of public places with garbage shall be punished with imprisonment for a term of which may extend to a month, or with fine which may extend to ₹5,000, or with both. Persons in possession of unlabeled and or plastic carry bags less than 40 microns shall be prosecuted under Environment Protection Act 1986.
हांव सांबाळचो ना जाल्यार कोण सांबाळटलो?
Lucky Enterprises, wholesale and retail shop. Salwar suits, kurti, leggings, nighty. Shop number 1 and 2, Sweet Home Symphony, near New Railway Bridge, Margam, Goa. Contact 9158057860, 9673497222. Lucky Enterprises.
Uncle's Kitchen, serving Mumbai since 1987. Now coming soon to Goa. At Amonkar's Miramar.
सोबीत दिसचें अशें कोणाक दिसना. भांगार सोबीत काय वाडयता. भांगार आनी रुप्या वस्ती खातीर साळकार ज्वेलर्स, कदम बस स्टँड, पणजे. भांगार म्हारग जाला? घेव नाकात. गोल्ड प्लेटेड कांकणां, पाटली, पिचोडी तोडे घेयात. वैभव ज्वेलर्स, साळकार ज्वेलर्सा सामकार, कदम बस स्टँड, पणजे. हांगा क्रिस्टल माळो आनी हैदराबादी मोतयाय मेळटा. एकदा येयात आनी धादोशी जायात. साळकार ज्वेलर्स.
Welcome back. Mud excavation work which was held on Sansodo garbage treatment plant was restarted on Wednesday. However, few social workers and MLA Alex Reginaldo have raised a strong objection over it. He also demanded that the collector should remove an order to ban the ongoing activity. He further warned to hold agitation if their demand is not fulfilled. Mandar Naik reports from Margao.
Now they have said that it's going to be made a sanitary landfill. No, it's going to be a landfill. With mud they are going to cover it and tap on whatever. But anyway, now what I am suggesting that the government give the people what is right and do not force the people to come on the road. I think it's almost time. It's 2 years this government is over. This government is in charge, and I think they should take responsibility and stop blaming the previous government. I am in no place trying to say the previous government. I am even making a categorical statement. The previous government, I am not going to say that it has done a good job also, as far as the Sansodo is concerned. Now they have said that it's going to be made a sanitary landfill. No, it's going to be a landfill. With mud they are going to cover it and tap on whatever. But anyway, now what I am suggesting that the government give the people what is right and do not force the people to come on the road. I think it's almost time. It's 2 years this government is over. This government is in charge, and I think they should take responsibility and stop blaming the previous government. I am in no place trying to say the previous government. I am even making a categorical statement. The previous government, I am not going to say that it has done a good job also, as far as the Sansodo is concerned.
CCP's meeting witnessed arguments over the issue of donations being received by the CCP as well as the work being completed by private contractors with Mayor Surendra Furtado and opposition panel leader Vaidehi Naik. Speaking to media, Mayor Surendra Furtado asked the former Mayor Vaidehi Naik to list out the work done by her during her tenure. Sanjay Manoli reports from Panjim.
Confirmation of the meeting was confirmed. The draft of the lease deed for the market tenants has been approved with one or two minor changes. That also I will speak with my special market committee people and my legal advisors, and I, if necessary, will do the changes. Otherwise, the draft is finalized. Then you know that now CIA is doing a presentation because they want to have a festival during the IFI. So let them show the presentation and then we'll come back to them. We will have a special meeting with our people and decide what is to be done.
So why was the Halla-Gulla in this situation?
Halla-Gulla is because the opposition can't see the development which I am doing in the corporation and also outside in the city. Vaidehi Naik has been shouting that I have not opened the gutters in a ward. If I have not opened the gutters in a ward, how did Panjim not flood? For 25 days it rained. If I have not cleaned, then how did Panjim not flood? She has been a failure during her term. She doesn't know what she speaks. Because she has to speak, she speaks. She has no base, A and B, what she speaks. She's been saying that I've been taking sponsors, making the office chakachak. office was in a very, very bad shape. I would ask the people of Panjim that the chakachak what I have done in the corporate city is good or bad, whether I should have done it or not. I have taken sponsorship under CSR to all my old friends, and I have not taken any money from them. Individually they have done on their own. We have not made any payments to anybody. Directly the companies who are under CSR have done the job in CCP. House tax to be collected directly by HDFC Bank. People of Panjim will judge what work I have done. I do not have to tell. I have got total discipline. Total discipline had collapsed. We are spending 1.25 crores rupees only as salaries every month. We are collecting around 14 crores rupees only in house tax, which is not even sufficient to cover the salary for the full year. What is this Vaidya Naik talking? The MLA of Panjim and the Chief Minister of Goa, Mr. Manoj Parrikar, in the first budget he had announced 50 crores for CCP. In the second budget he had announced 30 crores. Total 80 crores. I have not seen 89 paisa. That is the reason I have to beg with all my corporate offices to help me out to do development work and to do the corporate city of Panjim Chakachak. What is he talking about?
Accidents are on rise at Airport Junction as the traffic signals at Dabolim Airport are not functioning since last 2 months. The Tourist Taxi Union of Vasco have submitted a memorandum to the PI of Dabolim, Mr. Navlesh Desai, with regards to this issue. Kiran Borkar reports from Dabolim.
खूप वाटी आम्ही पहिला हांगा देडांक जावं दोनांक जावं ट्रॅफिक पुलीस नासता हांगा अडेजांक बीन येता हांगा काल हांगा एक्सिडेंट जाले एक 3 भुरग्यांचे दोग जाणांचे पाय मोडून सामके काबार जाले 10 मिनटां जाली पुलीस मातशे लेट पावले म्हाका दिसता खंय आउटपोस्ट आतां हें आउटपोस्ट जे आहा तें आतां पुलीस स्टेशन जालां पयलीं हांगा 4 आसलेले पुलीस आतां हांगा 40 पुलीस जाले म्हाका मागणी आहा PI कडेन आनी PI आमी निवेदन दिल्लें आसा कित्याक हांगा तुमी till 10 to 11 police अपॉइंट करपाक सिग्नल आनी सिग्नल ऑपरेट करचे म्हणून आनी सिग्नलची अशी एक कंडिशन आहा की सिग्नल तुमी केन्ना पयलें आसा सिग्नल हे केन्ना केन्ना एक 2 वरां चलता केन्ना सिग्नल चलना पासून हे सिग्नलच्या तुमी तारा पयले आसा की तुटून पडला बीन कितें पडले आसात ती आमची मागणी आसा आनी दुसरी मागणी आसा आमची पार्किंगेची आतां तुमी भायर येलो ब्लॅक पार्किंग पयला आसतली थंय समज टुरिस्ट टॅक्सी पार्किंग करत जावं तुमी प्रायवेट गाडी पार्किंग केली आसत जाल्यार ताका तुमी पुलीस फायन घालतात हे शासन तांकां फायन घालतात पूण येलो ब्लॅकांक कायदो वेगळो आसा काय कितें आतां येलो ब्लॅक ते गाडी पार्किंग आसा तांकां फायन ना काय ना हायवेचेर पार्किंग करतात डबल पार्किंग करतात
जो ट्रान्सफॉर्मर चेंज केलो आहा न्यू एअरपोर्टाक लागून तो ट्रान्सफॉर्मर काडलो आहा तेका तो 1-2 दिसां भितर तो ट्रान्सफॉर्मर आनी सगळें नॉर्मल पावर सप्लाय पेटले सिग्नलाक आनी 1-2 दिसां भितर स्टार्ट जातले सिग्नल पावर सप्लाय ट्रान्सफॉर्मराक लागून तो काडलो टोटल शिफ्टिंग अंडरग्राउंड केबलिंग जालो आहा 1-2 दिसां भितर जातलें
तशेंच कितें मनीस थिंगा डिप्लॉय करचे
अराउंड क्लॉक आमचो मनीस आहा थिंगा आनी टील लेट 11:30 म्हणून आमी डिप्लॉय करता थिंगा आतां
More news will follow after a short commercial break.
Established in 1974, the Pride of Goa, Hotel Fidalgo, situated in the heart of Panjim city on 18 June Road, offers 4-star luxury. Live in style at lavishly designed rooms at affordable rates. 103 elegant rooms with the Fidalgo Food Enclave. Well-equipped venues for banquets and conferences with 6 halls to choose from. Escape from hectic schedules and pamper yourself at the health spa. Combining business with pleasure, Hotel Fidalgo.
सांबाळचो ना जाल्यार कोण सांबाळतलो
राखपा गोंयची सोबीत काय कोण वावुतलो
ही माती लागता म्हजी माय म्हाका तिची आपुरबाय
कुडीन येताना देवाक सांगलेले तिका राखतलो
कुडीन येताना देवाक सांगलेले तिका राखतलो
हांव सांबाळचो ना जाल्यार कोण सांबाळतलो
आमच्या भोंवतणी एकठांय जावपी गार्बेजी आनी कोणूच न्हय आमीच रिस्पॉन्सिबल आसतात
घुसपट जमनीची जाल्यार कोण रिजवतलो
नितळसाणीन रावप हो आमचो अधिकार आसा पण त्याच बरोबर ती आमची गरज आनी जबाबदारी आसा
हांव सांबाळचो ना जाल्यार कोण सांबाळतलो
राखपा गोंयची सोबीत काय कोण वावुरतलो
ही माती लागता म्हजी माय म्हाका तिची आपुरबाय
कुडीन येताना देवाक सांगलेले तिका राखतलो कुडीन येताना देवाक सांगलेले तिका राखतलो
Welcome back. A Pulsar motorbike with a registration number GA08D7741 was in abandoned condition at Kollam to Molam highway. This motorbike was robbed from Margao and now the motorbike is under police custody. Eknath Khedekar reports from Kollam.
कितने दिन से खड़ी है?
4 दिन।
क्यों रखा है?
डीजल नहीं करके पेट्रोल।
पेट्रोल नहीं करके रखा है। कौन कौन आए थे?
2 आदमी।
2 आदमी। और बोल के क्या गए?
कुछ नहीं बोला।
इधर रख के गए?
रख के गए।
आदर सेशन इन्फॉर्मेशन येयलें की येदे मायनीचे पोळ्या मोल्या रोडाचेर एक गाडी 4 दिसां पासून अशें अबंडन आहा ताका लागून हांव थंय वचून व्हेरीफाय केलें आनी ती गाडी हाडली त्या गाडयेचो नंबर आहा GA08D7741 आनी ती ऑन साहेबान सांगलें पळय साहेबाक येवन सांगलें तशें आनी साहेबान इन्क्वायरी केली मडगांवच्यान की मडगांवच्यान ती गाडी चोरी गेल्ली आसा ती आमी साहेबाच्या मार्गदर्शना खाला हांगा हाडून दवरली आनी फुडली तेंच्या ओनराच्या आनी पुलिसाच्या आफ्टर कन्फर्मींग ओनरशीप तांकां दिवपाची तजवीज दवरलेली आसा.
Savardem Urban Credit Society is working towards getting the bank in profit. Government have initiated 3 people's panel and started one-time settlement scheme, and many people have given good response for the scheme, said Association's President Anand Mangesh Naik. Akshay Savardekar reports from Savardem.
Savardem Urban Credit Cooperative Society Limited. हाजेर आज आमी पयर आमी हें जालें फाटल्या कितले तेंप जालो हे सोसायटीची जे फाटले जे कमिटी आशिल्ली तांणी लोन दिलें पूण तें लोन आपल्याच सगळे सोयऱ्यांक आपल्याच रिलेटिव्सांक दिलें आनी ताका लागून ते रिपेमेंट करप तांकां शक्य जालें ना आनी रिपेमेंट केलें नासल्यान थोडेशे दीस हे सोसायटीचे सामके डबघाईत आयिल्ली त्या नंतर डायरेक्टराक बरखास्त केले गव्हर्मेंटान आनी हांगा प्रशासक नेमलो 2 प्रशासक आयले तांचे कडेनय कांय हें जालें ना त्या नंतर आमकां 3 जाणांक हांव एक मागीर दिनेश नायक आनी एक निलेश पंचवाडकर ह्या 3 यांची कमिटी नेमली आनी म्हाका एडमिनिस्ट्रेटीव चेअरमॅन म्हणून केलो आनी हे 2 जाण मेंबर्स अशें म्हणून आमकां नेमणूक केली पूण आतां सरकारान कितें केलां ऑल गोंयचे भर सगळे क्रेडीट सोसायटीक वन टायम सेटलमेंटाचे एक हे दिला आनी तातूंत आतां ताणें हें केलें कडेन आसा की 30 एप्रील 2014 पर्यंत हें दिलेलें आसा डेडलायन दिल्या ते प्रमाणे जे लोन आसा जे NPA लोन जाला तांकां 2008चे पयलीं जे लोन घेतलेलें तांकां हो बेनिफीट मेळटलो आनी तांकां स्ट्रेट 12% इंट्रस्टान तांकां फारीक करपाक मेळटलें हें लोन आसा जें घेतलां तें कोणाक चुकोवना तें आनी तें केन्नाच चुकची ना आनीक ह्या हातूंत आनीक हें घातलां गव्हर्मेंटान की जे डायरेक्टर आशिल्ले पळय आनी तांचे कोण रिलेटिव्स आसात तांकां ह्या लोनाचो फायदो मेळची ना जे दुसरे कोण आसात बाकीचे तांकां हो फायदो मेळटलो आनी त्या खातीर हांव सगळ्यांक आव्हान करता सगळे लोनीक की जाता तितले बेगीन ह्या लोन भर फारीक करून आपली सुटका करून घेवची.
5th anniversary of Shri Taleshwar Temple was celebrated at Walshe Bicholi on Wednesday. Kali Vidamban book was released on this occasion. Kala Academy Chairperson Vishnu Surya Wagh, writer Lakshman Pitri, Suresh Walve, Vinayak Khedekar were present at this occasion. Yashwant Parab reports from Bichole.
तरी काहीतरी मस्करी करायची, काहीतरी करायचं म्हणजे विडंबन अशी अनेक जणांची कल्पना असते. असं नाही. विडंबन हा निखळ विनोदाचा एक भाग असतो. आता फक्त काय सुसंगती जेव्हा असते सगळीकडे तेव्हा सगळं छान असतं, सगळं चांगलं चाललेलं असतं तेव्हा बरं असतं. मध्येच त्यामध्ये काहीतरी आलं की मग लोक हसतात. आता समजा आम्ही स्टेजवर बोलतो आहोत आणि भाषण करतो आहोत आणि सगळा कार्यक्रम छान चाललेला आहे, पण मी बोलत असताना मध्येच एखादा कुत्रा किंवा मांजर असं इकडून धावत गेलं तर लोक हसणार की नाही. अनेकदा आता नाटकामध्ये पण होतं की राम असा रावणाला काहीतरी सांगतोय, मध्येच कुत्रा येतो आणि भूक करतो. हे काही ठरवलेलं नसतं, पण त्यामुळे लोकांना हसू का येतं? कारण काहीतरी चाललं, याच्यामध्ये बिघाड येतो, त्यात व्यत्यय येतो किंवा त्याची वेगळी बाजू दिसते, तेव्हा लोकांना हसायला येतं. तर विडंबन हे काय ते निर्मळ अंतःकरणानंच केलेलं असतं. त्यामध्ये कोणाची मस्करी किंवा टोपी उडवायचा किंवा कोणाचं हे करायचं, चारित्र्यहनन करायचं वगैरे असं काही नसतं. त्यातला हेतू शुद्ध असला पाहिजे. आणि आपल्याकडे ही खूप पुराण काळापासून पद्धती आहे. संस्कृत वाङ्मयामध्ये पण असे विडंबनाचे प्रकार आहेत. कोणी एकाने काहीतरी लिहायचं आणि दुसऱ्याने त्याची काहीतरी मोडतोड करायची, असे प्रकार मी पण खूपदा करत होतो. आम्हाला लहानपणी बालकवींची कविता होती की श्रावण मासी हर्ष मानसी हिरवळ दाटे चोहीकडे क्षणात येते सरसर शिरवे क्षणात फिरुनी ऊन पडे.
Before we wind up, here is a recap of the headlines. Government planning to inaugurate the newly constructed Dabolim terminals on 19 December. Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar. "24-year-old Surendra Paul was arrested by Anjuna police in connection with the murder case of a Nigerian." And few leaders are trying to use this MOPA issue for their political and selfish motive on the grounds of upcoming Lok Sabha election. Marvin Gudino. This news bulletin ends here. To follow the recent news and activities, keep watching RDX Goa. You can also watch the news on www.rdxgoa.com as well as on YouTube. Goodbye.